Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Forest Frame. As my camera is not working and we've just travelled about 2.5 hours up here and my Nikon D850 is not working. Just turned it on this morning and there's no display, nothing coming on. Changed batteries, turned it off and on, done a lot of things, it's still not working. There's no power going through the camera at all. It was fully charged. Both batteries are fully charged, but nothing. So guess what? It's going to be fun today when using this phone I've got in my hand. Because also, not only my camera's not working, my vlogging camera mic was the wrong mic I picked up. I've got this mic, which is for here. So it's a DJI mini mic I'm using. Um, nothing's going well. Nothing's going well. But if there's any consolation, guys, the area we're in today, really nice. And it's just near Perthshire, the area we're in. Some beautiful shots here we're getting. And you can just probably see, just at the bottom of you there, we've got Ian Bowie, Scottish Landscape Photographer of the Year 2024. We featured him before on our podcast, and he's done a vlog with me last year when we were actually shooting bluebells in Kincladden Forest. So anyway, sorry about the video work, sorry about the photography today. I don't know what you're going to make of these images, if they're going to come out well. I've taken a couple of images so far with the this phone, and yeah, let's see how this is different. It's a different kind of vlog. Not ideal, but hopefully next time you see me, I've got the camera working. Or perhaps a new camera. No. Perhaps I should have the camera working next time. And if not, perhaps a new camera. No. So, just follow me about with my phone as I amateurly take images. I'll tell you something. I think it'll be quite good because this will teach me a lesson. Using your phone, you know, you're going to get nice wide shots and things. I'm not going to super zoom in with the phone because it just wouldn't look right. But we'll see. We'll see what I can make of a bad situation. So the next composition I'm going for, which I'll have to be very fast, is a lovely backlight background, a bit gnarly looking, possibly an oak. Get this shot, crop it in a bit. I quite like the feeling of it gives you, where it's just sitting in the background, all these pines in front of it, almost like it's kept captive from the pines. I'm going to focus about there and go for the shot. Okay, so I'm just going to take this shot now, see how it fares, stick it up if it's any good. So I've taken a shot closer to this oak tree. It is oak tree, I've identified it as one. You can see by the shape of it and also the scales of the bark. Well, there's no leaves on this tree. Suggests it's maybe half dead or whatever, but it is quite an old species. Very mossy, very interesting. So I'm going to show you around here, and you see there, you know, it's quite bare. There's no leaves at the top of it or anything. It's just a almost empty oak tree, but it looks great for photographing in it. So if this shot's any good, I'll stick this up. Let me know, guys. Leave some comments on these iPhone pictures. Okay, for the next composition is this over here. Is a almost not a lifeless tree with no leaves. And you see there, look at the shape of that, it looks great. Twisted around, possibly a form of oak tree. And over this side, with some lovely light coming over this way. Ideally, I'd like to get the light a bit closer into this. Ideally, I would like to go this way. Now I need to separate these two trees at the side there, away from that, get it in the middle. So I'm kind of going this way a little bit. They're still kind of moving into this tree, so I'd have to go a bit closer in this way and shoot from possibly this side, but come a bit further out, maybe out here, and you've got a nice beech tree behind it there. But I need to separate it out, so I need to come over this way a bit, and then possibly about there. I like this kind of frame by itself actually. If it turns out any well, I'll stick it up. Okay, so we just come to another part of the forest here. There's a lot of light come across the hill because we're kind of shaded by the top of the hill of this direction, over this way we came from. So over here is quite Got contrasty. It's not too bad actually. It's still quite low in the east. Still sitting high enough to maybe give kind of contrasty shots. Maybe, I don't know. We'll give it a try. But Ian's getting some good shots. I'm using my iPhone like a right professional here. Yeah. So. Just stopped by at a little cafe at Kenmore, and Ian just noticed something there of these little house martin birds. You see them there? And this old derelict building here, they're coming from here, they're nesting here. There we go, there's one there. Just aim towards the sky, maybe I'll catch a couple for you there. There's one, there we go, there we go, there we go. There's a little fella. Yep, beautiful little things. Okay, thank you for watching this week's Forest Frame, guys, and I'll be back on a week on Sunday. Oh, by the way, I did get a camera, so you're going to have to find out a week on Sunday. Is it Nikon, Sony, Canon? Find out.